disagreeing. This would be an extraordinary journey for you and me. So do you see, at least there we agreed. Your way was so different from mine, and I often wondered if I was gonna laugh or cry. One more helpless blunder, one step from going under, falling over feet and in the middle, you and me. Another runaway done, but anyway, I saved your life, now asking the angels to save mine. I gave it all, get nothing back, now calling the angels, calling the angels, help me master the incline. I got you studying and everything, got you a place when you were worrying. You took it all and paid me nothing, and you still think I will carry on carrying. One more helpless blunder, one step from going under, falling over feet and in the middle, you and me. Another runaway done, but anyway, I made your life, now I'm asking the angels to make mine. I gave it all, got nothing back, now calling the angels, calling the angels, help me master the incline. You're still a part of me, will always be. I'm still here, still full of sympathy. But right now I'm on the brink, the razor edge. Don't let me sink, talk me off the fucking ledge. I saved your life, now I don't need the angels to save mine. I just want you to make me whole, because I know to you I can consign my soul. Saved your life, my angel in control. Save mine, I just want you to make me whole, because I know to you I can consign my soul. My angel in control.
Telephone man did it way too long. Back's gone, he shot, ain't that wrong? Climbing poles like climbing mountains of stone. If I was a horse, they shoot me, I'm on. Counting down to retirement, counting down to free. Every day feels like a battle with no one to lead. Can't wait for the sunset on these old days. Dream of sipping cold ones in a lazy haze. Wires and connections all around my life. Every twist and turn has been a slice of strife. Tools in my hand, memories in my mind, but the future's calling, leaving its grind. Steel boots and hard hats, no more will I go. Turning in my back, time to move on. Gonna find my joy where the sun hits the trees. Counting down these moments till I finally breathe. Gravel roads and scarred hands tell the tale of a life spent climbing, never meant to fail. Telephone lines like prison bars and wine, but my heart's now free, it's about time. battle with no one to lead. Can't wait for the sunset on these old days. Dream of sipping cold ones in a lazy haze.